Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn digestive system, how it's work and its different organs. As you know, human beings have to eat foods used for energy as well as essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates and amino acids. Digestive system breaks nutrients into small pieces enough for your body to absorb and use for energy growth and cell repair. For example, proteins break into amino acids, fats break into fatty acids and glycerol. Carbohydrates break into simple sugar. This process relies on both physical and chemical breakdown. There are two types of digestion: the enzymatic breakdown of food components, for example, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into simple molecules that can be absorbed. Enzymes from the mouth, stomach, pancreas, and small intestine are involved in chemical digestion. The physical breakdown of food into smaller pieces through chewing in the mouth and mixing in the stomach is mechanical digestion. Let's start with mouth. The digestive process starts in your mouth, where food is mechanically broken down by chewing and mixed with saliva. Your salivary glands make saliva, a digestive juice, which moisturizes food so it's moved more easily through your esophagus into your stomach. Saliva also has an enzyme such as amylase, begins to break down starches in your food and start the process of carbohydrate digestion. Next is to swallow. The food passes down into esophagus. This muscular tube connects the mouth to the stomach. It propels the chewed and mixed food to the stomach through a series of coordinated muscle contractions called peristalsis. Muscle tissue in the esophagus squeezes the food down towards the stomach in a process called peristalsis. So then after you swallow, peristalsis pushes the food down your esophagus into your stomach. Stomach is a muscular J-shaped organ that further breaks down food through mechanical churning and mixes it with gastric juices. Gastric juices contain hydrochloric acid, which kills bacteria, and pepsin, which is a protease enzyme to help digest proteins. The partially digested food in the stomach is referred to as chyme. After an hour, the food is squeezed out into small intestine. Most of the digestion and nutrients absorption occur in the small intestine and produces digestive enzyme itself. To help digestion, the pancreas that produces digestive juices contains trypsin and lipase, which helps to break down the food. These juices travel into the small intestine. Another organ that secretes things into the small intestine is liver and gallbladder. The liver produces bile, which is a digestive juice. Its function is to emulsify large lipids. Some is kept in the gallbladder for storage and some enter in the small intestine. The small intestine has three segments: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. When pancreas and liver release digestive enzymes and bile into the duodenum to aid in the breakdown of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Once the food has been digested into smaller pieces, it can be absorbed in the lining of intestine, direct to the bloodstream. The small intestine has a large surface area due to finger-like projections like villi and microvilli, which facilitate nutrients and water absorption. Large intestine, which absorb all of this excess. So next it passes into the large intestine, which absorbs excess water and electrolytes from undigested food and helps form feces that are stored in the rectum until they are removed. The rectum of the large intestine serves as a storage area for feces before they are eliminated from the body. The digestive system is a complex and highly regulated system that involves the coordination of various organs and processes to ensure the efficient breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Disruption in this system can lead to digestive disorder and impact overall health. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos related to human body and health. Press subscribe button.